Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install AnyDesk software. So let's get started. For this, you'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar, you need to type AnyDesk download and press enter. You'll get the first link anydesk.com. Okay, with the software, you can take remote access of another computer. Okay, so we are going to download for Windows. I'll click on this download now. So it has downloaded the setup file of AnyDesk. I'll click on open. So this is your unique address. Okay. And now to install AnyDesk on this device, you need to click on install AnyDesk over here. So this is the path where AnyDesk software will get installed. I'll just uncheck this install AnyDesk printer as we don't need it. Then create start menu shortcut, keep it checked. Then create desktop icon, you can keep it checked. Automatic update, rest looks fine. You can click on accept and install. You'll get a pop-up, select yes. So this software has got quickly installed. If I click on this new, so this is your unique address. Okay, if anyone wants to take remote access of your machine, you'll need to provide this unique address to them so they can take remote of your machine. And if you have the address of another PC of which you want to take remote access, you need to enter over here. Okay, and then click on connect. So it will connect to that device and you will be able to take complete remote of another computer. So that's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.